Thanks to Rakesh sir for giving me the opportunity, and good morning to everyone. Today's topic is uh, online teaching apps. Okay.
थोड़ा साउंड क्लियर नहीं है सर, थोड़ा स्पीक लाउडली.
अच्छा, okay sir. Okay. Just 1 minute. Let me change from network change. Yes. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
आवाज
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
ठीक. Yes, please listen. So nowadays, knowing the details of each and every teaching app has become inevitable for all of us. If we will have to teach online, then we are bound to use these types of apps, teaching apps.
हेलो. हाँ सर बोलिए. नहीं, हम नाम नहीं पुकारेंगे, सुबोध सर को जो पुकारना वो पुकारेंगे.
नहीं आ रहा है क्या? राकेश सर,
नहीं, आपका वीडियो आ रहा है.
हाँ, वो अभी कॉल आ गया था किसी का, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मेरा.
Okay, sir. So I learned about Teachment app a few days when I got the message that there is webinar, and the topic is this. I tried to learn Teachment app, but whenever there is responsibility to teach you all teachers who are more competent in digital platform, then I have some initial hiccup. I am hesitant in delivering that Teachment app to you. I may miss something. If queries are there, then I will be a problem. So I have sought, by the permission of our master trainer, Mr. Rakesh Kumar Singh, I have got the permission for technical assistance. So that technical assistance I am taking, and one person, he will teach all of us, rather he will guide all of us. He is younger guy, and I have sought permission from him also, that he has joined. Name is Avigyan Shivam. So Avigyan Shivam is a brilliant student of his time, and he had schooling at Patna St. Michael School from 1 to 12, and he is IIT Kharagpur pass out 2019, and he is at present data scientist, Sigmoid Santa Clara, USA, and now presently he is in Bangalore, India. So he has joined, and he will tell us about the details of Teachment app. Avigyan Shivam, please start. Avigyan Shivam.
Yeah, thank you, Subodh sir, for your kind words. I am. Is my voice audible?
Yes, of course, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll be speaking a bit about Give me a moment.
Video is not proper.
Video is not there.
Yes.
Abhigyan, your video.
Is it now available, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Video and audio both available.
Now.
Yes. So
Yes.
I'll be speaking from here on. And yeah, so so I'm connected through my laptop and also through my mobile, so that I will be able to show things from both places. So, so there are a few things which I've come to know that. So I've been asked to present how some of the teaching apps work. So I'll be speaking firstly on the Teachment apps. I'll help you how to download this app, get registered on it, and then start working on it. There are few benefits of this app, which on top of the other tools which generally people use, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, and what n number of apps. I'll be speaking also about some of the open source apps if time permits, like Google Slides and Google Sheets. So let me first talk about the Teachment app. It's, I think, is one of the mostly widely used app in India. So I think it's the number one at this time. It is used by most number of teachers across India. And there are certain benefits that like apart from giving live lectures on this app, you can have assignments, you can call your students, you can have tests, you can have classrooms, you can have attendance. So all things will be done in one place. So I'm going to show how this app works, and then I believe everyone could find it really interesting to work on. So so I think it's very easy to download. Just we have to go inside the Play Store and download it. I'll try to.
Abhigyan sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you
Yeah.
share your screen?
Yes, I'm going to start that.
I have allowed you to share.
Yeah, just give me a moment. I'll start that. So I'll be switching from my mobile, because I believe most of us use mobile apps only.
Yes.
So just give me a moment. I'll connect from.
I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So can you see I have downloaded Teachment app over here. So this is how it looks like once we have downloaded it. But let me show from the starting how does things work when we start. So we have to go to Play Store. You can see at the top right corner, Play Store. You go here, you search Teachment. Teachment, free learning app, teach online. Then you have to, yes, any doubts or concern? Okay, so we are good till now. And then you have to install this app. So it will take only a few seconds and it will get downloaded. It's a very widely used, so there will not be problem in learning this app even after you install it and later on. Taking a little longer. I think I'm connecting to. Yes, I think it's done. So now you go back and to your mobile, and you have this installed over here, Teachment. So now you have this, you choose your language, English, Hindi, and several other languages. So suppose I choose English over here, and then I go to continue. at the bottom. And now I have done this. So just you have to just register using your mobile phone. So I think I have already registered it, so I'll show it from there only. So this is how we to download it and start using. Okay. So once you have downloaded, it will show something like this. So this is the classroom I have created, my classes. I'll create one other classroom for every one of them. So what this classroom means that suppose one teacher teaches in multiple classes. Suppose he is teaching some subject in class 8A, some subject in class 9B, some subject in class 10C, and so on. So he will have to create so many number of classes in order to teach in those classes respectively. So suppose I create, is it yes, so I was just here. Say suppose let's create a classroom. So create a classroom, enter classroom name. So classroom name could be class 8A. Subject name could be say maths. Yeah, I could. Is it a tuition coaching class, school या institute class, या hobby other classes? So school या institute class. Then create classroom. Now one class has been created. Class name is class 8A, and these are the things over here. So, so suppose now I have to fix. There are certain things. If you can see from down, the subject is maths. Then and on his side we have classroom ID. Then we have attendance in blue and invited student. Below we have fees. Then we have timetable. Then we have about teacher. Then we have about classroom, and then stats. Okay, so let's go one by one. So what do I mean by invite a student? So once I click invite a student on the top right here, so this will open up. So I can invite students through WhatsApp, Gmail, and any other source we can have of maybe we can have a link and send this to him. So this is the way how I can invite my student. So similarly, you can have add, say suppose we come to timetable, say we have add a timetable. So okay, so say suppose my class is on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at say suppose from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then on Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then on Wednesday again at 11 a.m. till 12 p.m. So my class schedule is set. So for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I have 1 hour class in this class 8A, and these are the times. So I just update classroom. So the student who has received invite through invite students link will automatically get this schedule that they have class on these particular times of the week. Similarly, so see, it is now showing say that they have a class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can also write about the teachers, maybe what I'm going, how is the teacher, in case the teacher is new to the class. You can also write about the classroom, and what are the different things you can teach about. You can also add fees, which I think is not applicable in this case, as this is a school. So you can add certain fees, whatever fees for the class, and students can only log in if they pay this fees and so on. But I think this is not applicable in our case. Now going to the top right. Now there is a thing called go live, as you can see at the orange at the bottom. So once you go live, this is how you attend your class. You go to your live classes. So you can see there are 3: mic on, video on, and then record off. So once you click on this record off, your class will be automatically recorded, whatever lecture you will deliver over here. And you can also have in landscape mode in case you are going to present like class and so on, or you can have in portrait mode as we are talking right now, and then you can go live.
Babu, Parul, yeah.
Voice is not audible, Avigyan.
Sir, voice is not audible.
Yes. Avigyan. Avigyan. Your voice is not audible.
Is it audible now?
No. Okay.
Is it audible now? Okay. So that's because I went live into that particular app and I was starting.
Avigyan. Hello. Avigyan. Avigyan. Please, are you
Yes,
listening me?
yes, I can hear.
Yes. हाँ, आप एक बार और जरा सा थोड़ा पीछे से आए, बीच में आवाज आपकी कट गई थी, तो फिर एक बार वहां से आइए जहां से आप लाइव किए थे।
ठीक है।
मतलब ओके।
अब आवाज आ रही है?
जी यस, हाँ ये ऑरेंज कलर से आइए, गो लाइव से आइए।
हाँ, तो गो लाइव में जाने के बाद आप वैसे ही क्लास स्टार्ट हो सकता है। अब आ रही है आवाज ना?
यस यस, यू कैन गो
हाँ,
बाइलिंगुअल, यू कैन गो
Okay.
बाइलिंगुअल।
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, दोनों में सही है, कोई
Okay.
बात नहीं। तो यहाँ पे जो जैसे भी जब मैं क्लास स्टार्ट किया था तो वैसे ही वीडियो कॉल स्टार्ट हो जाती है, जैसे
गूगल मीट में होती
हम,
है।
हाँ जैसे गूगल मीट में या अभी हम जूम पे कर रहे हैं, ऐसे कर रहे हैं, वहां भी आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हो, वहाँ पीडीएफ शेयर कर सकते हो। मतलब ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। आई थिंक मेरी गो लाइव जाने से मेरी यहाँ जूम वाली कॉल की आवाज डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रही है, इस वहां पे वीडियो कॉल स्टार्ट कर देने। तो पर ठीक है, तो हाँ, तो वहां पे रिकॉर्डिंग सब कर सकते हो आप। तो वंस यू रिकॉर्ड योर
Avigyan,
हाँ
yes, please use your English at present.
okay हाँ okay sure. So once whatever you so once you have delivered your lecture at say Monday morning 9 to 10, whatever schedule which is given as say 11 to 12, and you have recorded your classroom, so your recorded classroom will be available in the recording section for the students. So the students will not miss your lecture in any case. So you have your lectures recorded. Similarly, for the test, you can create test over here. So what do you need to create? I think I cannot because I don't have a student with me any here. But this is very similar. You have a PDF where you have. So suppose you have written your assignment or a test in a piece of paper, has taken a photograph and converted it to a PDF. You can just create the test and upload your particular PDF here, and that test will be I will show you how test works in a different video mode. Similarly, you can invite your students from here. As I have already said, you can invite through different methods, as you can see, through whatever channels you have: WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Gmail, and whatever and whatnot. Similarly, you have a chat session. Suppose there are certain kind of doubts the students ask to this. They get accumulated over here, and you can answer your their doubts whenever you are available. Similarly, you can also have those assignments. So once you can see this is create assignment. I think it's not working since I don't have any student over here. But that again work in the same way. You take a photograph and save it as a PDF, and then you just upload it here, and students can submit their assignment. Similarly, for the CE here, for the documents, image, for any study material which you want to upload, whether it's document, images, or YouTube videos, they could all be here in that particular class. Similarly, you can create such classes for different classrooms and so on. Okay, now going back, so this is how it looks like. So I have created one classroom, it's called class 8A. Another one which I had created last day, my classes, and so on. You can have n number of classes. You just have to go here and create classroom and just start creating your class with different parameters. Different classroom, whatever you have. You can also log in this app through through your laptop. There is a top right corner, there is a bell, and the side of the bell there is a laptop. So using that, you can just use it, scan this on your laptop and use it through your laptop. So that's again a thing. And you go here in accounts. So I have created, this is what you will get in. So here is the what teachment tutorial videos in the green. So once you click this, you have certain videos around around 10 to 12 videos. You can use this. You can. They are very small videos, maybe less than 5 minutes each. You can use them to learn. I mean, how to use this app and so on.
Hello and welcome to Teachment.
So see, this is
This video will help you understand how to create and share assignments.
This is
with
So
students
this is
through
again a video to understand how to create and share assignments.
To get started, if you want to assign, enter the
So,
topic here.
this is how we.
Enter the
This is
submission date. Here we are choosing 25th September. Choose the submission time that you want and enter description, if any. Say if it is from page 60 to 70, add that here. The maximum marks that are going to be awarded for the assignment and add attachments, if any. Click on the same. You can choose whether to add a solution or not. The students won't be able to see the solution unless you have submitted the assignment.
Yes. So I think so. This is how there is assignments and all those things could be evaluated. So you upload a video on the app. So you upload an assignment with a PDF mode. The students submit their assignments, and you evaluate it based on the marks. And you can also upload your solution and so on. So I mean, just spend a little amount of time, maybe 15 minutes, half an hour, and you will be ready to go and work with this app. This is very easy and straightforward. So it's just about, it's the same way things work, but just the benefit of this app is that everything is accumulated at one place. So you don't have to go to some other place to do particular assignment, to have record attendance and so on. Similarly for attendance, that is also there. Let me show that to you. Okay, so I think it's not there, but similarly attendance could also commit. So once you go to your particular class, say this is my class 8A, and I have say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and here is the attendance, blue here is the attendance, blue one. So whatever students who will be present will for any particular class, say suppose June 26 today's date, and whatever number of students present and absent students will automatically get saved for each day. Similarly, on whatever days you have class, all of your attendance will be saved. So you don't have to worry about taking attendance in your classroom. Automatically, whoever the student logs in, their attendance will be recorded at this particular place. So I think so I have covered in little summary, but if you have some doubts, I am really happy to answer. And
Shivam sir.
Yes.
Once again, tell about the attendance to us.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll show. Okay, so sir, I have taken, say suppose I have scheduled my class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays. Okay. So once I click on this attendance, you can see it is here on the blue attendance. So I click on attendance and go here. So once I suppose I have a class on June 26, and here is the attendance. Since I don't have any students, it is showing present 0, absent 0. Once I have said 10 students, out of which 8 attended the class and 2 were absent. So present will be 8 and absent will be 2.
That means it will actually count the number of students, those who are participating in the class.
Yes. You don't have to take attendance or go work. It will automatically record it. So those who will attend the class, come here.
That's fine, sir. Thank you,
Excuse me,
sir.
sir. Shivam, sir.
And
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Will it show that which student was present and which student was absent on that day, on a particular day?
Yes. So, and this will also be recorded for previous days. Suppose today, since I have created this class today, suppose I have had reached to say June, some previous days also. So June 25, June 21st, since I had a class for, whatever days in the past, maybe I had a class on May 28. So on that particular day, this will also show attendance if I had a class on that day.
My question is that it is only showing the summarized result, how many students were present and how many students were absent on a particular day. My question is that will it show that which student, which of the students have been present on a particular day and which of the students have been absent on
yes,
that day?
yes. The list of the
That
present
means
Name of the students.
Yes,
name
name
of
of the
the
student.
student आएगा अभिज्ञान name of the students आएगा इसमें
Yes. So the name of the students who are present in the class will be shown.
how please tell us.
Sir, yesterday it was discussed that it also shows the it showed the percentage in front of the present or absent also. Okay, कितनी देर student
Yes,
से
yes.
join करके present.
Sir, sometimes we observe the students are logging for a minute just to get the attendance. So whether the
Yes.
time duration will be short here or only the student
No,
logging
only the
in
students if they are present for a particular time duration.
Time
Any
duration will also show in the percentage manner.
I think that's not a thing. I mean, that's still not added.
If you add the student and you will take the class, it will show by the name and their phone number, whatever details you have asked to do, and it will tell how much percent the student online during the class.
Yes, I am trying to search for. There was, I think since I don't have any student with me right now.
Yes. The problem
that's
is
why-
that you have no students, so some of the features of the teachment will come out when the student will register.
Yes.
I would like to request
Sir, I
any
think it was
of our
discussed.
participants.
Rakesh
Yes.
sir, please allow me. I am Subit Singh from David Umrao. Please allow me
sir.
to share my screen.
Yes, sir, you have already allowed.
Okay, thank you, sir. So it is showing that you
Sivam,
cannot
see-
start screen share.
Sivam sir, please stop your screen sharing.
That's done from my side.
Okay, Subit sir, now please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I'm sharing it. Okay. So is it start, sir? Has it started, sir?
No, it has not been shared.
No.
Yet not.
Is it saying the display over other apps?
No.
No.
Okay, you choose that one. Display over. Yes.
Yes.
Now it is being
I think
shared.
yes. Thank you, sir. So let me show you some. I have already taken some screenshots also from my Teachment app. Let me show you them first. Okay, just 1 second, sir. 1 second. Yes. So I have already taken this. And that first of all, you have to go to Teachment app like this. Yes, you can see that there is a create classroom. I think everyone can see me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
that I have already marked it here that you can see that there is create classroom. So if you have to create any class, that you have to just touch here. That is marked in orange color. Okay, sir. Then you have to next session I will show you what does it look like. You can see here, sir, that I have made a class that is classroom name is class 5 and I have taken subject science. Okay, and I have seen that school or institution classes. Okay, then you have to touch the create classroom for creating a classroom. Next I will show you, sir, that now we are here in a class. Okay, sir. So it is showing that only for test I have written the class name. Okay, sir. And you can go there, go live. You can go there, go live. That Shivam sir has already shown you. I will show you that how does the attendance look like. So let me open my Teachment app right now. I am opening my Teachment app. Yes. So we are here, and just let me open the class 3. Okay. So I am here in class 3. You can see there is summary, and next is recording. You can see test. You can see student. You can see chat. You can see notice board, assignment, and study material. So first of all, if I am recording section, you can see there multiple recordings are here available. So you can record all of your classes here and they will present it there. Each and every student, whenever they would like to see them, they can go to the Teachment tab and open in their time. So they do not need to, if they are not present in that day's class, they can see the recordings in their later time. Okay. If we go to test, so here you can see that I had already taken some tests, so I can also view the submissions. So let me show you something that I'm opening a submission that is 22nd May 2021. So view submission. You can see here, sir, that is their names. That is the names and their score also. I can also see each and every student's answer from view answer. Yes, sir. So you can see here that you can see each and every answer from here. Okay. So we can also go to the student section and here you can say that there is each and every student is hello. So you can see that each and every student has their name, admission number, and also phone number. So you can directly call the student from here, sir. And if you go to chat section, the students can send me anything from there. We can have a notice board here. So I have already sent some notices. You can see here, and some assignment also. So you can see that I had sent 2 assignments. Students can also join in this assignment and send me assignments. So you can see here there are view submissions. And now here study material. So if we go to study material, this is the
Sir,
very good
please
thing.
open one of the assignments.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. Okay. So I'm opening view assignment, and now I am evaluate the first one. So evaluate, and I am opening it. You can see here, and you can give him or her the marks he or she should get. So here you can that like out of 10 you can give him maybe something 4 or 5 or 6, whatever you should think that he should get, you can give him. Okay, sir. Right
After
now
taking the assignment, sir,